Welcome everyone. So this is my second video on C++. So in this video we're gonna learn data types. Suppose there are various types of data types like integer, float, character, double, and so on, right? So we'll learn about this. Then again we will learn how to use those data types properly. Okay, so here you can see I'm gonna show a syntax of C++. This hash include iostream. Well, whoever doesn't know coding, whoever is the very beginner in coding, they can easily learn from this thing. Okay, so this is the header file of C++, include iostream, or you can write hash include bits by stdc++.h. Don't worry, I'm gonna show this in websites as well. You just think of this theory right now. Okay, and here I'm gonna write using namespace std semicolon. Okay, here I will write int main, the main function for this C++ syntax. Here will be a second bracket like this, a semicolon again. So what you can see, this whole thing is the main syntax of C++. Well, we're not gonna waste our time here anymore. We're gonna go to a website named online C++ compiler, what I use most of the times. Okay, well, here is my code. Now I'm gonna write hash include iostream, or you can also write bits by stdc++, no issue with that, using namespace std and main. Okay, fine. Here is our syntax. As you can see, this is our syntax, and here we will do our code. Okay, all right, here we're gonna write, well, let me tell you one thing again, which is we print something here. Suppose C out, writing C out and a sign like this, and then we say hello, and in the output it shows just hello. Let's do it in the code. Okay, so we're gonna write C out, which is gonna used for printing function. This is our printing function in C++. We're gonna write hello endl. Well, this endl is actually breaks a line. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, if you don't understand, I'm cutting this, I'm just printing this one. Okay, then run. You guys can practice with me. You can see the output is hello. So what if I use, instead of hello, I write something else like my name is XYZ? How it works, let's see. Oh yeah, it works the same, right? So that means whenever you are gonna write in this double colon and write anything here, it's gonna print this here. Okay, so suppose I'm gonna print a number Cout. I'm gonna write here 10. Okay, let me tell you a question. Print a number, random number. Okay, if the question is print a number, what you'll do, you'll just print anything, 100 or 10 or anything, and add enter. Okay, and then run it. So yes, according to the question, the answer is correct. The answer is 100. So you have printed a number. Then, well, now tell me, if the question is like this, print a value of x. Well, so where x is an integer. Don't worry guys, no need to worry about it. What is an integer? I'm gonna make you understand. You are very beginner at coding. I'm gonna make you understand this. Integer means anything, like, let me go to the whiteboard again. What is integer? Integer can be real numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5, or any number. Okay, so it can't be like this with a decimal point, 3.5, 3.6. It's not integer, it will be something else. What it will be, we'll learn it later, but it's not integer. Integer would be like full number, like 2, 3, 4, 5, without decimal points and all that. Okay, so a very simple idea about integer. So we're gonna go again to the C++ compiler. You're gonna take a value like int x. We are assigning a value. This equal, suppose int x equal 10s. Here this equal sign means assigning a value. Okay, alright, assigning a value. We are assigning 10 to x. Just a semicolon will be needed. So if we are assigning this 10 to x, in Cout, if we write, oh my color, what color, so here if we write here x, let's see what it prints. Hopefully it will print 10, because here we are assigning the value to x. First this box was empty, here and the box name is x, we put a value 10, so x equals to what? 10. In the output, what it will give to us? It will give to us 10, right? Let's see in the coding. No more talks. Okay, x equals to 10. Let me check whether it's running well or not. Well, it's running well. So again, sorry for the interruption. Int x equals to 10. Cout x equals to, wait, let's run it. Oh yeah, it's giving 10, right? So it means whenever we are assigning a value to x and we are also printing the value of x, it's giving us the value 10, right? The value of x is now 10. Well, you can ask, where is the quotation marks? What is the quotation marks, right? Double quotes, where are they? So here is the thing, listen to me. If there is any data type like this before a variable, this is the variable. To print the variable itself or the value of the variable, you don't need to use any quotation mark. Okay, to print, you can note this, the value of the variables. You don't need to use a double quote. Okay, got it? Well, you guys can practice with me, keep practicing. In the next video we'll learn something more with this, and till then keep learning. Okay, practice, keep practicing. I have used a question, I have used a variable, you use two variables, you use multiple types of data types, and try and practice, keep practicing it. Okay, that will make you much more better than before. Okay, thank you very much for being with me.